Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to link Twitter to your Instagram account. So let's add a photo in here. Let's add any photo. The purpose here is just to demonstrate how everything works. So let's say that I just want to upload any photo. Okay, this is a chess match which I was a part of. So let's just upload this and we'll leave the caption for now. If you look here, you could see this Twitter option in here, also post to Twitter, the one in the middle. Just select this and this would redirect you towards the Twitter page where you have to sign in with your credentials, whatever your Twitter account is, the username or the email, and of course the password, which I specifically kept for this video. And now just select authorize app. Okay, now this would redirect you. Okay, now Twitter has been enabled. Just select this and post it. So this post is completed. Now let's check out if this has been linked to our Twitter and if this is visible on our Twitter profile as well. So you don't even need the app for this. You could just use your web browser and go to twitter.com. Let's just select twitter.com. Now we would log in with our credentials. And now I would log in. Okay, there you go. Now if I just go to my profile, I would just see that I have posted a photo with the Instagram link to the photo in here. So my Twitter has now been linked to my Instagram, and whatever I post on my Instagram, the link would appear on my Twitter profile, and any of my followers or anybody who's connected to me via Twitter, anybody who looks me up would be able to see all those posts. So this is how you link Twitter to Instagram.